Hello everyone. Mastering long tips, mastering long trips, essential travel tips for your journey is what I'm talking to you about today. You are traveling a far distance. What are the essential travel tips for your journey? What I'm holding here is a stick. It is called kuli kuli, and it is a snack made from groundnut in Nigeria. Currently, I'm not in Nigeria. I'm outside of Nigeria, and I bought a lot of kuli kuli. I also brought a lot of my garri. I brought a lot of my pepper. I brought ilu. I brought dabigbe, so that I can have continue to taste and look at the delicacy. Now let's go into the video. Maximum tips, essential travel tips for your journey. Hey, wanderers, welcome back to the Dr. Olugbenga YouTube channel. If you are gearing up for a long haul adventure, you are in for a treat. Today, we've got a bunch of travel tips to make those extended journeys a breeze. Let's dive in. Number one is plan your journey. Long trips require meticulous planning. Plan your itinerary, including layovers and transit times. This not only helps you manage your time effectively, but also reduces stress during the journey. Plan your journey. Consider breaking up long flights with strategic layovers to explore additional destinations. When I was traveling to India, I had to stop over in Nairobi, and I was in Nairobi for 8 hours. Look at the airport and enjoyed myself there before the flight to Mumbai. So you can also explore this type if your journey is a long one. Number two is comfort is key. Comfort is crucial on long trips. Dress in layers, wear comfortable shoes, and bring a neck pillow and blanket for those in-flight maps. Trust me, these will be your best friends. Comfort essential. Opt for loose, breathable clothing and compression socks to improve circulation. When I'm traveling, I wear my local attire, this buba and this local attire and shokoto, so that it's free, different from when I'm wearing a suit. When you're wearing a suit to get to the airport, you take it out to remove the belt, remove your shoe, remove your wristwatch, you remove the suit and many things. Then when you pass the checking, you wear them back. You are waiting. You are this. Everything is tight. But when I just wear my Yoruba shokoto and the buba, it makes me more comfortable. Now, inside of the plane, they're going to give you a kind of blanket that you can use. They're going to give you earphones so that if you're playing music, either from your phone or from the airline player, you don't get distracted. You don't get to distract other people. Other people don't get to distract you. And you're going to be given some other things also that will make your journey comfortable. You're going to give it a kind of pillow that you can put on your back. But if you feel you still need more, you can take yours along. Number three is hydration and nutrition. Staying hydrated is vital. Bring a reusable water bottle and refill it regularly. You see this bottle I'm holding, I've been refilling the past 2 weeks. There's a section where I am that you can refill the bottle. But there are other bottles that you can get that are refillable. You can get that and use them. So, hydration and nutrition. Staying hydrated is vital. Bring a reusable water bottle and refill it regularly. Also pack some healthy snacks to keep your energy up and avoid relying solely on flight meals. Bring your own snack. Don't rely only on the flight meal. The flight meal may not do you, so you bring your own snack so that you can be able to enjoy the snacks, especially when you have to stay in an airport. You have to stay for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours before you continue your trip. The food in the airport will be so expensive that you can also go for that if you have the means. So that's that. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as they can contribute to dehydration. Then number 4 tip is entertainment and distractions. Long flights can get monotonous. So load up an entertainment. Download your favorite movies, shows, and books. Don't forget to bring headphones, chargers, and a power bank to keep your devices juiced up. Entertainment essential is consider creating a playlist or podcast lineup for an immersive audio experience. You see, on my phone, I have a lot of audiobooks downloaded, a lot of them. Read That, Pour That, Think Big, the magic of Think Big, the power of positive thinking, many other books. How to win friends and influence people. I have all those on audio, so I don't have time to read such books to sit down and reading, so I download the audio. I'm in my car, I play. So in the flight, my flight was more than 4 hours. Some of the audio books are 4-hour audio books. Before I completed the flight, I've already completed the audio book, because in the flight I was with my earphone and I was playing with my earphone. I was in my earphone. I have others that are not wired, so I have my earphone. I connect it and I'm on enjoying the audio book and getting the audio book. So by so doing, instead of just whiling the time, because inside of the plane you can't see outside once you start flying. So what do? You look at the person in front of you, look. You get bored, so you take up therefore. When you're tired of getting the book, you can face something else. There's a movie before you. You can switch to the channel. You can check the plane navigation where you are. All these things you can do. Number 5 tip is adjusting to time zones. Jet lag is a real thing, folks. Try to adjust to your destination's time zone during the flight. Stay hydrated. Expose yourself to natural light upon arrival and avoid heavy meals at odd hours. Time zone adjustment tip. Taking short naps strategically can help your body adapt to the new time zone. So you take short naps in between. Like where I am, the time difference is like 5 hours, 30 minutes to where I am coming from. So most nights here, up to midnight, most times I sleep around 3 a.m. Like now, the local time here now is 11:22 a.m. While in my home country, the local time is 52 a.m. So I want to communicate. They are just trying to wake up, so I have to wait for them to wake. I have to adjust. So many other things. So I sleep by 3 a.m. here. By that time, it is just a little before midnight in my home country. So you have to adjust. So what I do is sometimes when I leave work, I try to take a nap around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. So I take a nap from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. So I wake up around 8 p.m. I work on my laptop to 3 a.m. because I don't sleep. I don't just lie on the bed when I don't feel sleepy. I don't lie on the bed, so I walk until I feel sleepy. When I little hit the bed, I sleep. So that is it. So in conclusion, there you have it, our total travel tips for those epic long travels. If you found these travel tips helpful, give this YouTube channel a thumbs up and share your own travel wisdom in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and inspiration. Bon voyage, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Dr. Olugbenga YouTube channel. Whether you are crossing continents or exploring your own backyard, make your adventures be extraordinary. Until next time, happy travels. This video popping up right now is the next thing to see. And remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, after liking, share, after sharing, drop your comment in the comment section below and watch this new video. I will talk to you again soon. Sweetheart.